Hey guys, it's your girl, Bright Eyes Open, and you know. So today, you guys, we are making some chicken, and I'm just making some open face dry chicken. Not dry chicken, but I'm not making it wet, like with no sauce or anything. So I have my chicken already ready to rock and roll here. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna start with my pan. Bam with the pan. So I'm just gonna spray my pan on my sheet. And like I said, my chicken is already seasoned, so we're just gonna go in and place the chicken pieces onto my baking pan. Some people use baking sheets, some people use pans. It's really up to you guys how you want to do it. But I'm just gonna put mine on my just take that out of here, just like such. Open. Just pull that off of there too. So right then, gang, as y'all can see, I'm just lining the chicken up on the pan here. And this is how I'm going to bake the chicken. I am not going to cover it. I'm going to bake the chicken just like this. And there we have it right then, guys. So we have our chicken nice and lined up. And like I said, I'm not going to cover this. I'm going to leave it open because I want my chicken to have a nice crunch to it. So I already have my oven preheated, and we are going to throw these babies in the oven. This out the way. So what's going on with my Bright Thing gang? How's y'all day? Hopefully everybody's having a beautiful, wonderful, blessed day. Because I am. Okay, you guys, moving right along. Did y'all hear what the doctor ordered for me today? I said, did y'all hear what the doctor had ordered for me today? The doctor told me that I need glasses. You see what I'm saying, right then, gang? Doctor told me I need glasses on 420, but it's all right. let's get into these potatoes. So I already cleaned these, and I have them soaking in some water. I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar. Jug is big, so all that lifting, I can't be doing all that. So I just poured a little bit of vinegar in my cup, as you guys can see. And I'm just gonna add this vinegar to my cold water, because as I cut my potatoes, I'm gonna sit my potatoes back in the water, and the water and vinegar keeps my potatoes from turning brown. I have to bring me a couple of paper towels over here, you guys, because I be needing them. So we're gonna get right into just slicing, and you can slice your potatoes as thick or as thin as you want them. I prefer to slice mine with just a little bit of thickness to them, because I like for my scallop potatoes to hold that firmness to them. So that's pretty much why I'm slicing my potatoes a little bit thick. And I'm just setting my ends to the side. I'll probably come back and just take that tip off and still use my ends. But this is like pretty much the thickness of the potato that I'm cutting mine. And I'm just gonna drop them back into my water to keep them from turning brown. So what I'm going to do, Bright Bang Bang, is I wanted to do a cheesy scallop potato, but now I'm thinking about it, since we just had big macaroni and cheese. I'm thinking instead of doing a cheesy scallop potato, maybe I'll do a potato and onion dish. So I decided to take out an onion also to cut up, because I think I might just do a potato and onion bake instead of the cheesy potatoes. Because, you know, we just had some cheesy mac and cheese this week. So I don't want to be going overboard with the cheese, you know. And I'm just making sure that I open up my potatoes, because, you know, sometimes the potatoes can stick together. I'm just making sure I open them so that the water and vinegar is hitting the whole potato. Y'all hear Granny coughing, you know, sometimes that she get that coughing spell out of nowhere. Let's see. Bless you. right, thinking we got all the potatoes. We just have this one potato left here to cut up. So we're gonna get that done. And then we're gonna start building our potato dish, rather. We'll start building that thing. Granny, you got water out there? Hold on, y'all. You need a water? Oh. So. I'm just in here putting dinner on. Excuse me, Bright Thing Gang. Sorry about that. Okay, so we got our potatoes out the way. We're gonna go in and cut these onions. I like to use it. Hold on. I like to use a smaller knife when I'm cutting my onions. And I'm just gonna slice my onion the same way that I sliced my potatoes, just like this. And again, you can slice your onions as thick or as thin as you want them. It's your preference. Some people, if you're like anything like me, I love onions, so I like my onions thick. But some people don't like them that much, so they'll slice them a little thinner. And I have my dish here. And it's just a small, I have the small dish here because I'm not making a big, large pan of potatoes. Just making a small dish. So we have that. And we're gonna go in with our pan and spray our small dish. And right then, again, it's up to you. Like I said, you can make this with a cheese sauce, or you can just simply season your potatoes and create your dish like this. I have a lot of potatoes, more potatoes than I thought I had. Okay, so again, we're gonna go in with our pan. And we're just gonna take our potatoes Now, right then again, you can season your potatoes while they're in the bowl and just shake them up, and they'll be already seasoned like that. Or depending on how if you're gonna use a sauce or not, you can just layer the potatoes and just pour your sauce on top and just keep layering it almost like you're making a lasagna. But I'm gonna season mine, and so as I layer my potatoes, they're already seasoned. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, so to my potatoes, I'm just gonna do garlic powder and roasted garlic and herb. And we're gonna go in with that. We're gonna go in with that. Just gonna put my top on my potatoes and just shake them. Just give them a toss, just like that. Oh, right then, gang, I forgot to put some pepper. Hold on. Also adding black pepper to my potatoes. Just toss them up. Potatoes are seasoned. This is how they look. And I'm just going to lay my potatoes into my small pan. I'm actually going to use both pans, you guys. And one of them I think I am going to do a cheese sauce on. That's what I'll do. So right then, let's move this stuff down so you guys can see what's going on. So I am going to do potatoes in one, and I am going to use this one also. So I'm just going to do both because I did not realize how much potatoes I have, but I'm going to utilize both dishes. Since I had already sprayed Pam in this one, might as well use it. But yes, Bright Thing Gang, hopefully you all are doing absolutely wonderful out there in the Bright Thing Gang world. Okay, you guys, so I got potatoes down there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some onions in between. Throw some onions in there. Oh, and I forgot I got some Olive Garden Italian dressing up. Because we're going to use that. Let's move this so you guys can see what's going on here. So right now we got our potatoes, our onions. We're going to do some shredded carrots in here. That with our Italian dressing. And then we're going to repeat. I'm going to go back in on top with some more potatoes. I might not need that other one, you guys. This might just be all right. Guys, I only needed the one pan here. Go on top with my onions. That looks. Aguantero. Mixing some Lipton onion soup mix in here. And I'm going to mix this all up. Yes, baby, yes. Let me give it a little bit. Just a little bit. That chicken smelling real nice. Real nice. Okay. So we have our Lipton onion recipe secrets. And I just mixed that with some water and a little bit of my Olive Garden Italian dressing. And I'm gonna pour this all over my potato, onion, and carrots. And I've mixed it into a liquid form because I wanted to create a juice and a nice, hold on, you guys. Let's get all that onion out of there. We want all of that in our potatoes. All of that. All of that in those potatoes, y'all. Just like that. All right, we're gonna cover this up and we're gonna put it in the oven. So there we have it, right then. Potatoes, onions, and carrots. And we're gonna throw that in the oven and let that baby bake. So I just turned my oven up just a little bit because I want the chicken to have a nice crispy crunch to it. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead on here and get the kitchen clean. I'm gonna just warm up. We got some collard greens left from the other night. I'm gonna warm that up to go with dinner. And yeah, you all have a beautiful, wonderful, blessed evening. And make sure you surround yourself with nothing but positive energy, positive people, and positive thoughts, baby. Now, y'all go ahead and enjoy this 420. You hear? I'm out.